pretty wild weekend, wasn't it? And it is today, Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024. So the event over the weekend was about 1:45 yesterday afternoon. President Biden announced he is not going to run for another term. About a half hour later, he endorses Kamala Harris. And now we have to find out, do people rally around her? There'll be calls for an open convention, in other words, a brokered convention, where it gets very, very exciting. And I wrote about all this and how the votes have to work. Now, first thing that's going to happen, that there will be votes amongst members now to see, will she get enough votes to possibly make it on the first vote at the convention, which is August 19th. If not, then everybody's free. In fact, there's debate right now taking place. The people that were called to vote, in other words, the delegates, are they free now that President Biden's not running? Some states might be yes, some states might be no. There'll be calls on them, well, while you really are free, we don't want you to do this. That doesn't mean it's holding. And then if you don't get a majority vote on the first run, then what happens, you go into the second, but that's when now another 700 delegates, the super delegates, come in, and this could be exciting. We've seen this before. It's a lot of fun to watch if you're, and I'm not into politics per se, but I do enjoy watching, rather than the coronation of one person, the arguments, the bickering, the votes, which way the different states go. It gets to be exciting. Obviously, we're going to be dealing with the fallout of this. Is she just another level of Biden? How does Trump do against her? The polls show that there's no difference to him. While he says he can go right through her, that's not what the polls are saying. Who's she going to pick as a running mate? Who wants to run with her is the other issue. There's many, many different parts to this taking place. And at the same time, you are already hearing President Biden naming who would be in his cabinet. And these are the big wigs of corporation. Is that good or bad? We'll find out. So in the stock market, okay, the market came down. Now it's back up. There's uncertainty, obviously. Is that a negative or a positive? Well, I warned traders in my written update last night, and I said it very carefully. Do not trade the first impulse. Wait and let today settle down. Look at gold, 24.14. You've given back all the gains. Silver, you have given back all the gains. Copper market, you have given back everything. Platinum market, down, give back everything. The dollar dropped. It didn't really go anywhere on the downside, and it still hasn't gone anywhere. And the currency markets just don't know what the heck to make out of it. That is the problem. As we get closer to the end of the month, the pressure will be on the Japanese yen to do what? Will they be able to cut rates? Consumer spending was down if you looked over the weekend. That is not a sign that you normally raise interest rates into. So I'm still of the opinion that the bank's going to take it cautious, and they're going to do more cuts in Treasury buying and talk a tough talk about what they're going to do with rates, but not do any this time. That doesn't mean I'm right on that. In the grain market, good weather over the weekend. I didn't see any damage, yet here you go, 20 cents higher in beans. Nothing falls forever, so you're getting a bounce in those. We have a cattle on feed report that we'll be dealing with this morning. Which way will that market want to open? In Bitcoin, well, you know that the favorite is for Bitcoin, Biden. Not Biden, Trump, I'm sorry. And the least favorite would be another Democrat, because Trump has said that he's basically pro-Bitcoin. So we'll see how that all is going to play out in the market. You're getting a more of a short covering rally. It was due sooner rather than later in the nat gas, but the energy markets continue to fall. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu, it will be in town today. I guess he'll meet with Harris, and then he's going to talk to Congress, and they just keep bombing away in Gaza, and they keep expanding. So I don't know which way that thing is going to go with all this, but we're certainly losing some of the leadership. There will be calls, and I just want to bring this all into you. There will be calls in the politics. Should the money for the donors for Biden be returned? I don't know. Was it a Democratic call? In other words, you gave money to the party, or did you give money to Biden personally? If you gave it to him personally, the Republicans are saying